Lorry after lorry leaving Pfizer's factory in Belgium bound for Britain. In each one, a vaccine shipment that will bring the end of the pandemic that little step closer. The rollout will begin next Tuesday, and even though supplies must be stored at 70 below zero, Scotland's government hopes immunising care home residents can start less than a week after that.
With regard to the Pfizer vaccine, there are conditions attached to its authorisation which make it difficult to transport to some locations, such as care homes. We are in the process of planning how that can be done safely and effectively, and we plan for the vaccine to start reaching care homes from the 14th of December.
Northern Ireland and Wales are still working on their plans to deliver injections in care homes. In England, it's anticipated to start before the end of December.
The Department of Health is working with MHRA and the supply chain to make sure that we have a secure plan to deploy this. But again, we will be deploying it this month in care homes.
Until then, 53 hospitals nationwide will be at the forefront, running vaccination hubs that will call in frontline NHS staff and care home workers for their jabs. This doctor is ready and willing.
This vaccination, which will give us some benefit, give us support, give us protection, hopefully, from COVID-19, suggests that we are now moving towards a brighter future. And I think it's a really, really positive step and something that all of us are really looking forward to.
The initial consignment is 800,000 doses, but by Christmas, potentially 4 million more could have arrived. An enormous effort in the coming days and weeks will be critical to ensure not a single dose is wasted.
Kathy, lots of hopes around the vaccine, but just what is the situation with COVID cases right now?
Well, the R value now stands between 0.8 and 1, which is slightly better than last week and means that over the last few weeks the epidemic has been shrinking. Case rates in Northern Ireland and Scotland are falling, and across England too, with the exception of the North East, where it does appear to have levelled off. But in Wales, the number of people testing positive appears to be rising again, I'm afraid. And let's not forget that across the UK, the number of infected people is still high. Almost 600,000 were ill with it last week. So next Tuesday, when the first people are vaccinated, it will be a momentous day in the fight against COVID, but there is still a long way to go.